Well, I'm currently at, we just finished the consultation at Namoli village. Yesterday it started off in Wotua village in Ba, then ended up in the visit of the correction facility in Ba, Namosau. And today, Vitongo village and Namoli. Three issues that were discussed, namely the review on three laws. One is the opening of the licensing hours. The hours is from 5 p.m. to 1 p.m. Then we have special zones that finish at 5 a.m. Those are restricted in two areas only, Matinta, Nandi, and Suba, only a special part of Suba. Now, what prompted the review of these laws is that it was designed that people, namely tourists, will come and spend their money. So since they come here for tourist purpose, they work all the time in their life, then we hope that they were going to spend their money in terms of going to places and of course nightclubs. But what has been found or revealed that it is the Itauke population who are out there on the streets at 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning. Many of them are so intoxicated. Some are there for the purpose to cause troubles, hassles the patrons. And this is an issue which needs to be addressed by the church and the Bonua. I'm told that even from Botua and here in Namoli, when the nightclubs close, they go to Matinta. Now, what happens is this, we all know it's an acknowledged fact, 75% of the Itoke live below the poverty line. The money that's supposed to be used for family church purposes are used elsewhere, namely nightclubs. Those are issues that concerns the government. And today and yesterday, it's overwhelmingly the support that nightclubs should close at 1. Today, the view here at Namoli is it close at 12 because on a Saturday, because Sunday is the day of service, of worship. And that is very clear. The second of the law is the change of name. We all know that what prompted the change of the law was when government lost its case against Nawaikula, did not consult the people, went and changed, and it affected many women. The view of some women in the villages, yes, we bear our name from birth certificate, why should we change our name? But there are other sectors of women who, because of their other identity cards, they have to change, like by passport. It's a big hassle. I think the issue is first without consultation. So I know there's a pending matter in court where they've been challenged, but this is what happened. This is the law that was made, this is challenged in court, and here the government is deciding to change the law. So that's why we're having consultations. The third issue is the Fisheries Act. Now, apart from other salient matters of the review, the one that is troubling is this. Before, to apply for fishing license, they come to the village. They get a written consent from the owners of the Ngolingoli, of fisheries. They come present the sebu. Sometimes they give us some of money to be used for the Bonua. Then with that written consent, processed through the administrations of government and approved. But the government changed the law a few years back. Without any consultations, anyone who wishes to apply for license just go straight to the commissioner's office, pay a fee of less than, or just over $10. Then they go fishing. Now, the income that they get, we are told, it ranges from hundreds to thousands. Not a single cent goes back to the owners of the Ngolingoli. And I think it's unfair, it's discriminatory, and we believe that resource owners, they should be properly compensated. And that's the whole purpose of the review, plus other things. I've just been blessed to meet and hear the views of the people, and to tell you the truth, a lot of people are enjoying the freedom that they did not have in the last 60 years. So thanks to the coalition government and the able leadership of Prime Minister Sitibin Rambuka, we say we're going to listen, we'll consult, and that's what we're doing right now. And the consultation, I understand, it's also been held at the level 9 at Suabo House. And I will be also entering the Methodist Church, which we're having an annual conference in the coming weeks to try and explain these laws, because that's where majority of the Itoke will meet. The whole purpose is to get the view, and what happens is that we collate all the views and then present a bill, then go to Parliament, then where it will be canvassed, discussed, debated before it becomes a law. But let me reassure you, the laws will be made with change, and government is committed of changing them. Namoli. Taking office on the 24th of December. It is my passion and pride to be associated with the Fiji Correctional Service. Twofold. One, to ensure that you have the best care, that you treated well, look after well. And secondly, I want also to show the safe care that afforded to you to be also go to the correction. They are fully paid. Last 10 years, no pay rise. They work under very trying circumstances, and that's the reason I'm doing my visit. This is my second family, the Fiji Correction Service. Spend so much time with them. I've also opened new opportunities for them. Even today, another opportunity of engaging with partners, because government does not have all the money. The partners to ensure for your reform rehabilitation, so that when you go back, there's some economic activity going to support you. And the second is for correction officers. Counseling, psychologist training, even advanced training for them. Prison service before was viewed differently compared to today. So that's the reason I want to provide that training to them. It's important for them to know that the minister cares for them. Because previously, the Attorney General, the Minister of Justice, was the Minister for Correction, but there was little interaction with the correction. So my aim is to ensure we get this job regulation done, and they get terms and conditions improved, so that they're happy. When they're happy, they look after you well. We are just humans, eh?